Welcome guys. Now today I will show you how to separate tasks, only tasks. This phone model is Samsung Z3, Samsung Galaxy Z3. So we will change it now. Task not working, so I will change it now. But it is complete. When we will change it with the help of OCA machine or touch separator machine. So at first I will open the battery and I will open the display RAM on. So first I will not open the phone, only open display RAM on and battery and use touch separator machine. And the separator machine start. Now when heating complete, I will separate touch and display from body from this phone and need to help cutting paper. Wait few seconds. Now heating complete, and then I will separate touch and LCD. At first I will cutting this gum and use cutting paper. Then I will remove whatever in the top of the display. I will open the display and then I have to separate the frame. Now I will separate the display and touch with the help of cutting paper and cutting this gum all around. But now I am separating the frame. I will open the frame very carefully and separating touch and display. And then I again use touch separator machine and cutting touch and LCD. So on this touch separator machine and separated touch and LCD, cutting touch and display. Separate touch and display, use cotton and use touch separator machine. When heating complete, I separated then touch and display. Use cotton bar, touch separator cotton use. Now when complete heat, and I will separate touch and LCD safely, cutting this touch and separated touch and display gum. Safely cutting gum safely separated touch and LCD. Safely cutting, very safely cutting. And safely remove touch remote. Finally I will separate display from touch and separated touch and LCD from touch separator machine. Then clean this display. Clean this display. use whip and clean display. Display clean now for clean display. Very safely cleaning display. Now cleaning complete. Then I will check this touch and LCD and remove touch paper and set up touch. And I will plug in touch remote very carefully. So plug in touch remote. Then I will check first touch display working or not working. So set up this phone touch display. Set up plugin demon, plug in battery and press power button. I will on this phone and check this touch working or not working. Power off phone. Wow, my touch is working. So I use gum, plug in this menu button. Then again I use gum, for better fitting. Then again I use gum from mobile frame all side. Use gum for better fitting. And then finally set up touch and display. Finally set up touch and display. Very carefully set up. Set up remote. plug in this display demon and check this phone now working or not working, and finally my problem is solved. And plug in battery, press power button, and I will on this phone. When on complete, I checking this phone. Now on phone and task is working, so my problem is solved. So viewers, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. So viewers, thank you, bye bye, see you next time and next any videos. So viewers, thank you, bye bye.